Namaskar. Dear students, today we are going to view the use of determiners few and I few. Determiners play a great part in day-to-day speaking. Our today's topic is use of determiners in speaking. Let's start today's lesson. आज हम determiners के बारे में बात करेंगे. Few and a few. Both of these play a great part in day-to-day English speaking. Few और a few अंग्रेजी बोलचाल में बहुत अहम किरदार के हामिल हैं. आइए इनसे जुड़े हुए जुमलों को देखते हैं और उन्हें सही अंदाज में बोलने की भरपूर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. Here my students, the first you see, Ilahi has a few notes. Ilahi has a few notes. इलाही के पास चंद नोट हैं. इलाही has a few notes. इलाही के पास चंद नोट हैं. You see my students, a few fix the amount of notes. इलाही has a few notes. इलाही has a few notes. इलाही के पास चंद नोट हैं. A few is a determiner. It represents, it shows the number of notes. Ilahi has a few notes. Ilahi has a few notes. Ilahi के पास चंद नोट हैं. Let's see the next statement. You see my students, next one is Adam has few steps. Adam has few steps. Adam has few steps. Adam has few steps. You see, few is a determiner. It tells us about the steps. Adam has few steps. Adam के पास टिकटे नहीं हैं. Adam के पास steps नहीं हैं. Adam has few steps. It's surprising, is it, for you? Adam has few steps. Adam के पास टिकटे नहीं हैं. You see, few means nothing. So Adam has few steps. Adam के पास टिकटे नहीं हैं. Let's see the next statement. Next one is have boys a few books. Have boys a few books. Interrogative sign. Have boys a few books. क्या लड़कों के पास चंद किताब हैं? Have boys a few books. This is an interrogative statement, and you see again determiner a few is reflecting, telling us about the number of books. So have boys a few books. Interrogative sign. सवाल 11 है. Have boys a few books. क्या लड़कों के पास चंद किताब हैं? क्या लड़कों के पास चंद किताब हैं? Have boys a few books. क्या लड़कों के पास चंद किताब हैं? You see here a few outs for the number of things. Let's see the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Next one is has Billy few shirts. Has Billy few shirts. Interrogative sign. सवाल 11. Has Billy few shirts. Has Billy few shirts. क्या बिली के पास कमीजें नहीं हैं? Has Billy few shirts. क्या बिली के पास कमीजें नहीं हैं? You see my students, the difference between few and a few. A few means some number of things, whereas few means nothing. So this is the difference between these determiners. Let's read it again. Has Billy few shirts. Has Billy few shirts. क्या बिली के पास कमीजें नहीं हैं? क्या बिली के पास शर्ट्स नहीं हैं? Let's see the next statement. Next one is Sonia has a few coins. Sonia has a few coins. Sonia has a few coins. सोनिया के पास चंद सिक्के हैं. Sonia has a few coins. सोनिया के पास चंद सिक्के हैं. Sonia has a few coins. सोनिया के पास चंद सिक्के हैं. Let's move to the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Next one is Tim has a few rare gems. 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 Tim के पास चंद नायाब हीरे हैं. Tim has a few rare gems. Tim has a few rare gems. Tim के पास चंद नायाब हीरे हैं. Tim has a few gems. Tim के पास चंद नायाब हीरे हैं. Here my students, these are very important determiners that fix the number of things. I hope you will memorize both of these determiners, few and a few. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.